learning. This is our lesson video number 2 for this week. We are now on the first week of August 2021. Let's start. We are now on Unit 9. Again, the title of our unit is The Fastest Animal in the World. We are on page 72, so get your student book, please, and turn to page 72. So for this lesson video number 2, we will do the part 2 of lesson 1. Again, we are still on lesson 1 and we will do the story. So get your student book again and turn to page 72. And the title of our story is The Fastest Animal in the World. So before we will proceed to our short video clip, let's look at first the pictures on your student book. So this is picture number 1. This is Max and this is Amy, and this is their teacher. So they're in the school. Okay, they're going inside their classroom and they are going to have a quiz today. Okay, so let's go to picture number 2. Here you will see Max raising his hand and the teacher asking questions. And on picture 3 you will see here Amy being surprised because she saw something. And here you will see the mouse. Okay, we'll check, or we will watch the video later and see what really happened. And on picture 4, Amy took his bag and ran. And the mouse runs also behind her. So let's check and watch this one. Let's see what happened in the story. The title of our story is The Fastest Animal in the World. Let's watch this.
Hello, I have a quiz for you today.
Great!
What's the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest!
That's right. What's the widest ocean in the world?
It's the Pacific Ocean!
That's right. What's the fastest animal in the world?
Yee! A mouse!
No, a mouse isn't the fastest animal. The fastest animal in the world is a cheetah.
No! A mouse! Look! Ah! Now Amy is the fastest student in the class.
Alright, so that's for our story. Now let's go back to your student book and look at this one. You're going to do listen and read. So again, you can listen to the audio and read together with the audio. Okay, follow the words with your eyes, and later we are going to answer some questions. Ready? Listen carefully. Okay, and let's do listen and read.
Listening 88. Listen and read.
Hello, I have a quiz for you today.
Great!
What's the highest mountain in the world?
Mount Everest!
That's right. What's the widest ocean in the world?
It's the Pacific Ocean!
That's right. What's the fastest animal in the world?
Yee! A mouse!
No. A mouse isn't the fastest animal. The fastest animal in the world is a cheetah.
No! A mouse! Look! Ah! Now Amy is the fastest student in the class.
Okay, so that's for our listen and read. Now let's go to our questions. Read and choose. What's the highest mountain in the world? So this is from the story. If you would remember, what's the highest mountain in the world? Is it A, Mount Washington, B, Mount Everest, or C, Mount Hood? The correct answer is Mount Everest. Yes. Let's go to question number 2. What's the widest ocean in the world? What's the widest ocean in the world? Is it A, the Atlantic Ocean, B, the Indian Ocean, or C, the Pacific Ocean? The correct answer is yes, letter C, the Pacific Ocean. Sorry, it's missing. Okay, N is missing here. The Pacific Ocean. Next, what's the fastest animal in the world? What's the fastest animal in the world? Is it A, a cheetah, B, a horse, C, a mouse? The correct answer is letter A. Yes, a cheetah. So, cheetah is the fastest animal in the world. Last question. What does Amy do when she sees the mouse? What does Amy do when she sees the mouse? A, she jumps. B, she hides. C, she runs. What's the correct answer? Letter C, she runs. Yes. Alright, so this is where our lesson 1 ends. We just ended our lesson 1. So we did 2 videos for lesson 1. Part 1 is the words, and then part 2 is the story. This is the part 2. So this is part of also of your homework. Alright, so yes, thank you for joining me on our lesson for this week, for this lesson video. And see you on our next lesson. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.